Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're here to unbox and review the Amazon Beshik wireless mouse and keyboard. So, let's not waste any time and dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The Amazon Beshik wireless mouse and keyboard are sleek, modern, and stylish. The slim profile of both the mouse and keyboard make them comfortable to use for long periods of time, which is perfect for those work from home or gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about the functionality. These devices offer a reliable and seamless wireless connection, so you don't have to worry about tangled cables or limited mobility. The mouse features a precise optical sensor and responsive buttons, providing smooth navigation and accurate clicks. The keyboard, on the other hand, has a